Dear students, welcome to the video lecture Fuzzy Relations. Fuzzy relations map elements of one universe X bar to those of another universe Y bar through the Cartesian product of the two universes. This is also referred to as fuzzy sets defined on universal sets, which are Cartesian product. Fuzzy relation. A fuzzy relation is a fuzzy set defined on the Cartesian product of classical sets x1, x2, etc. xn, where n tuples of x1, x2, etc. xn may have varying degree of membership mu r of x1, x2, etc. within the relation. That is, r of x1, x2, etc. equal to integration of mu r of x1, x2, etc. xn by x1, x2, etc. xn. Fuzzy relations is denoted by r of x comma y. Fuzzy matrix. We can denote the fuzzy relations as fuzzy matrix like this. That is mu r of x1 comma y1, mu r of x1 comma y2, etc. xn comma yn. Like that x2 and then xn comma y1, etc. A fuzzy relation is mapping from Cartesian space x bar comma y bar to the interval 0 comma 1, where the mapping strength is expressed by the membership function of the relation for the ordered pairs from the two universes mu r of x comma y. Domain range. The domain of the fuzzy relation r of x comma y is the fuzzy set. Domain of r of x comma y have the membership function as mu domain r of x is equal to maximum y belongs to y, mu r of x comma y for all x belongs to x. The range is mu range of r of y is equal to maximum x belongs to x mu r of x comma y for all y belongs to y. That is the range. Example, consider a universe x is equal to x1 to x4. Now we have to write r of x bar comma x bar. That is, these are all the values given. We calculate this from the domain from the matrix. That is, domain is equal to find domain we have to take maximum among the rows. Here the maximum is 0.5, 0.8, 0.4, 0.6. That is the domain. And then range maximum on the columns. That is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Maximum on the columns. Next, digraph. This is the sagittal diagrams. Operations on fuzzy relations. Let R and S be the fuzzy relations on the Cartesian space x cross y. Then the following operations apply for membership values for various set operations are union, intersection and complement. Containment. And then containment R contained in S implies mu r of x comma y less than or equal to mu of x comma y. Fuzzy Cartesian product. Fuzzy relations are general fuzzy sets. We can define Cartesian product as a relation between two or more fuzzy sets. Let A and B be two fuzzy sets defined on the universes x and y. Then the Cartesian product between A bar and B bar will result in fuzzy relation will contained in full Cartesian space. Fuzzy Cartesian product, that is, it is defined as mu a cross b of x comma y equal to minimum mu a of x comma mu b of y. 2D fuzzy relations. In case of two-dimensional relations, the Cartesian product implies the idea of pairing of elements among sets, whereas the arithmetic product uses actual arithmetic products between elements of set. Each of the fuzzy sets could be thought of as a vector of membership values. Each value is associated with a particular element in it. For example, for a fuzzy set A bar that has 4 elements, hence column vector of size 4 cross 1, and for a fuzzy set B has 5 elements, hence a row vector size of 1 cross 5. The resulting fuzzy relation R will be represented by a matrix of size 4 cross 5. Example, that is A 0.2 by x1, 0.5 by x2, 1 by x1. B is 0.3 by y1, 0.9 by y1. We have to cross these. But 0.2, 0.3. That is minimum we have to note, that is 0.2. And then 0.5, 0.3, that is 0.3. And then next, that is x1 is to y1, x2 y1, x3 y1, like that. And then x1 y2, x2 y2, we have to find the minimum among this, and then we get the Cartesian product. Thank you. Hope you understood the concept of fuzzy relations. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.